What's going on? It's your boy Amaka here. And number one, you see I'm not in my Stay Ready shirt. I'm in my Team Florida shirt because I am a volunteer for Breakthrough T1D. You should see it on the back. And my brother has type 1 diabetes, so I've been a volunteer for multiple years now, supporting them and supporting the Stay Ready crew and providing content for you all. And we are week 12, 3 month update, and we are almost there. We're almost there. You can see we got our sinks in. Let's make that a little bit more even. You can see this bathroom looks so much better than what it looks like. This is what it used to look like. Three, two, one, boom. And yes, we got pictures scheduled next week. It's late afternoon on a Friday, and I still got to do some landscaping. Landscaping today because I just don't want to wait. I'm ready to get rid of this property, and I am so happy with the way things are turning out when it comes to the aesthetics. Things do look good. There's a couple things to touch up, a couple things to fix, but dear goodness, I am ecstatic for this house to be over. I am so ready to list this property. I'm so ready to hopefully get it sold for, hopefully we have a bidding war. Hopefully it sells for 100 grand over than what I originally asked. Won't happen, but that's okay. We are looking to finish some touch-ups. So honestly, the interior basically is done. There just needs to be some cleaning, touch-ups, and that's really it. We got to put some hardware and some certain doors, like this pocket door that got painted. I'm in the bathroom, obviously. I get a probably just get a curtain rod to. We're not gonna get like a nice shower door. It's pointless. It's not gonna do too much. Bathroom looks great, but let's take a trip of this house. So obviously we are in the bathroom. We got good old bathroom. We got the gold. So I got a mixture of gold and black because I love both. We're not going to go that way. You can see the doors are actually painted white. Got my black fixtures. Beautiful kitchen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So here's a little nugget here for us. So this cabinet right here. Oh gosh. Oh, we can see we got some work to do here. That's not good. I just caught that. Just caught that. That's very frustrating, but I'm sure there's a way to fix that. There's gonna have to be a way. I'm gonna need that to happen. But number one, if you have a cabinet guy, I got some of a Brazilian company, great people, great company. But if you are ordering cabinets, make sure before they leave, you count the cabinets, you verify with the contractor, and don't do what I did. Be there whenever they deliver. Because if you're missing a cabinet and your guy's an hour away like my guy, and you have a W-2 job, and your contractor is probably going to charge you to drive 2 hours to go get some cabinets, it's going to be very frustrating because then you have to wait until their next availability, which can be a week, 2 weeks. I was waiting on this thing for basically a month. It's just a lot easier if you're just gonna count the cabinets while you're there, verify while you're there. And it's as easy as spending 20, 30 minutes, maybe, if that. Could be 10, could be 5, if you just have a list of the sizes that you need and then just verify while they're there, because then they can just do it same day, next day. But as you can see, I'm loving everything I see about this kitchen. It is a beautiful kitchen. Another nugget, and this is all my fault. I can't blame anybody but myself. If you need an electric stove, get an electric stove. I got a gas stove on the Black Friday sale. A phenomenal deal. Greatest deal that you will ever find. It's once a year. And I got a gas stove and it needs to be electric. So I ended up spending $300 more on the stove than it needed to be. $300 more. It's okay. Life happens. But learn from my mistakes, because I won't do that again. I can promise you. But we can see floors look great. You can see the doors. We still got to get this black fixture on, which we already have. But look at this kitchen. Oh my gosh, look at this kitchen. It's amazing. It's amazing. We still got to put some of the hardware on there. But oh my gosh, it's a great kitchen. And we go into the master bedroom. And voila, there's really not much new here. Y'all have seen this before. But looks good. We really just need to sweep, mop. Closet, basic. But here we're gonna have, let's plant you. Let's plant you right over here. So we're gonna have a dilemma, and I don't know how we're gonna solve it, because we have, I think there's an outlet right here. There's an outlet right there, and there's an outlet right there. This bad boy is not even. I think we can still, no, we can't. This is not going to be even, and it's going to bug the hell out of me. And we need to figure it out. I don't know if we just shift this over. If we shift this over, then that's going to be open. There's not really many easy solutions here, because I do love these mirrors. So I wonder if I put over here. No, we're going to have a dilemma. We're going to need to talk about it. I don't know what we're going to do. Give me some suggestions, chat. What needs to be done? Because it can't look too awkward. And then if we move it up, yeah, there is some work to do there, but got it. Mosquito. Oh yeah, I don't want to think too hard about that right now because it's going to stress me out. But you see what I'm saying? It's not going to be too even. But shower door is on. It's a beautiful bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. And it works. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now let's go to the other side. We got this door missing, but you'll see where it is. We got the new door installed. There's that beautiful door. Room, basic. We gotta clean the mirror. There's the room to the bathroom. Oh, it looks so good. It just looks so good. There you have it. It's oh so simple. Oh so simple. It looks good. And then, oh my gosh, it doesn't look like a freaking pigsty back here. It's amazing. It's amazing. Let's take a peek on the exterior real fast. So you can see there's not as much junk over here anymore. Obviously, we got to figure out what to do here. We just need to, I assume, make the lines. They said they're gonna make it look real good. They hyped me up here, and yeah, we just need to make it look good. Period. Point blank. No more trash. There's not really much I'm gonna do here. It looks scary, but I mean, spent a grip of money to get this fixed, and we're gonna be a-okay here. But one thing I really wanted to show you is, yes, there's a lot of dirt still. There's a lot of dirt, but you can't really see that from the street. And now we got grass. We got sod. The sod looks good. Need to get some more sod, but get some more sod right there. But the main thing next is going to be this right here. So you see that shovel right there? That means that I'm about to go to work. It's gonna take me some good time to fix this, but I need to figure out the line I want to make in order to close it off, right? Because I'm not gonna do too much. Get some mulch, get some plants, get a barrier, and just make this look a lot more presentable. But that's really it, chat. Until next time.